This opportunity to call on Chief of Army Staff and the Inspector General of Police. January, I traveled from Imo State to Anambra along Onitsha Owerri Express Road. I noticed something. In every checkpoint, army checkpoint and police checkpoint, they stop every vehicle, allow private cars to pass, while all the commercial vehicles, they will discharge all the whole passengers. The passengers will trek to cross army checkpoint or police checkpoint, then reconvene again, board their buses or their vehicle, and continue with their journey. Now, I passed the first one, I saw this. Passed the second one, I saw this. I passed the third one, I saw the second. I started asking questions. They told me, it's normal. That is how they do it. I kept wondering, why must they subject our people to this kind of suffer? Our old men and women, our traditional rulers, no respect, no regard for elders. Once you're in a commercial vehicle, you must drop. Use leg to pass army or police checkpoint. Then enter your vehicle again. This is pure madness. I thought this had stopped. I now traveled to Enugu. From Enugu to Owerri. I saw the same thing again, which means it's now a tradition. The other one I also witnessed was a young man being punished severely, being flogged, beaten mercilessly. His offense was that he answered call close to army checkpoint. And I was like, where in Nigerian constitution it says that nobody should receive or make call in army checkpoint? I don't understand the kind of country we are running. Now I came back from Enugu. I said maybe Nigeria now have a different, a new law. I traveled to Castena. I flew from Abuja to Kano. Now from Kano to Castena on the road. Every checkpoint was peaceful. Travelers passed army checkpoint, police checkpoint, although it was very few of them. Now they passed inside their vehicle. And now I was like, why would they drop and then cross army checkpoint and enter their vehicle again? They told me no, that they don't do like that here. So I kept asking, do we have one country, two system? Or are we in two different countries? I'm not the tribal type, neither the sentimental type, but what is good for the goose is good for the gander. You don't treat some people this way like animals. If you need to see how they have subjected our people, what they have subjected them to, is so bad. They are Nigerians. They have not committed anything being Nigerians. And I'm using this opportunity to call the governors of Southeast, who are the chief security officers of their states, to call their GOCs to order. These guys are doing, as in, they're treating people like animals. A journey of 1 hour, they will make it to be 4 or 5 hours for commuters. Am I talking about the bribe, the money they are collecting? Am I talking about that one, which is a tradition already? They don't even hide it, shamelessly collecting it as if it's their right. In some army checkpoints, they will even put one boy carrying pure water or one thing or the other, pretending to be selling it, but they are collecting money from the drivers by force. What are we talking about? Please, governors of Southeast, call all your GOCs to order to stop this rubbish. Our people are suffering. Our people are suffering. Please, I'm also calling on all the bloggers. If you see this message, throw it, pass this message so that it will get to the whole governors to call these people to order, the whole police and the army, to stop this. An Okada man will get to police checkpoint, army checkpoint, he will carry his Okada, pass first, and then start the bike again. What a nation. It's quite a pity. Please.